So if you spent tons of time creating an offer and you have shared it out on all the platforms you could think of, you talked about it, you showed the inside, you've done a free download to get them, but they're still not buying. What in the heck is wrong with your offer? Hey guys, I am Kathy Olson of Funnel Gorgeous, and right now I'm going to share with you why your offer went wrong and what you can do to fix it. I want to have a heart-to-heart with you today. There are a lot of reasons someone won't buy something, whether it is internal circumstances, external circumstances, the price point is wrong, but ultimately, if the offer is good, people will buy. It will almost eradicate any excuse as if the offer is irresistible enough. We have talked a lot about offers. Make sure to check out our other videos on offers, but the biggest thing is that irresistibility factor. And how do you make an irresistible offer? Well, an irresistible offer is something that someone really needs. I know it sounds really simple, but it's not so simple. In order to create an irresistible offer, you really need to know your person as well as possible. This means you have to narrow it down. It can't be for everybody, and it can't even be for everybody at the same stage. It has to be a specific stage, a specific solution for a specific person, but it also has to be something specifically unique and totally different. So I get it. That sounds like a lot of boxes to check, but in order to do this, you really just have to have empathy. Empathy is the number one tool that you can use in your arsenal to create an amazing offer. It's all about being empathetic to the person. You need to be in their shoes. Not only in their shoes, but inside of their mind. What are they feeling? What are they thinking? How are they trying to talk themselves out of it? What have they tried before that failed? What is holding them back? What are their fears? You need to embody the person and become empathetic to their situation. Not only will you be able to craft an offer that they're actually looking for, but you will be able to create an amazing offer that they will get through, that they will finish, that will help them, that will solve their actual problem, and then in turn they will turn around, become your evangelist, and tell all of their friends who are struggling with the exact same thing. Because an offer is not irresistible unless it's actually good. The best salespeople in the world will be found out to be a fraud if your offer is not what you say it is. So sounds great, Kathy. How can we get more empathetic? How can we understand our human more? Well, you talk to them. You go to Facebook groups they're hanging out in, offer to get on the phone and coach them for free. You listen to the words they're saying, the problems they're having, what words they're using to describe those problems, and you also listen to what they've tried that didn't work and why it didn't work. And if you don't know why it didn't work, ask them, who's tried this and why didn't it work? What did you not like about it? What do you hate about my industry right now? It's all about human research and understanding where that person is in their journey. Julie and I are working on a little something behind the scenes that's going to be launching in 2021 that talks about this topic, about how to create a course that your students actually get through, that they get results, but also how to be in their shoes, how to be empathetic, and to echo back exactly what they need to hear. So in the spirit of being empathetic, we would love to hear from you below. What do you struggle with when you're creating an offer, when you're creating a course, when you're building something? How do you struggle to really understand your human? What do you not understand about them that you wish you knew? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, share it out to all your friends, and we will see you on the next one.